the National Treasury has not disbursed a total of 94.35 billion. The arrears are as follows: 31.45 billion owed to 47 counties for February 2023 allocation, KSh29.6 billion owed to 47 counties for March 2023 allocation, and 33.3 billion owed to 47 counties for the April allocation. We therefore call upon the CS National Treasury to immediately release the 94.35 billion owed to county governments without any further delay. By dint of this, the Council of Governors hereby issues a 14 days notice to shut down counties if February, March, April arrears are not released within the next 2 weeks.
So we're giving notice here that if we don't get our money for January, February and March, we're giving notice to national government and informing Kenyans that we will have absolutely no option but to shut down counties and ask the workers to go home until such a time when counties are funded.
We note with concern that in the history of devolution, the Senate has never voted against the spirit of devolution in as far as the increase of resources is concerned. We call upon the Senate to uphold their primary mandate that the county governments are well resourced